Right, now it's time to work on our shooting animation because we don't have any kind of shooting animation. We are able to shoot, but our gun doesn't do anything. It doesn't move. And well, since it's side scroller game, it doesn't really matter so much, but it's small little detail. And I think with the shooting animation, our shooting will look much better. Plus, we already have shooting in the animator, so I will teach you how to do it. And also, if you will make some other FPS or the third person shooter game, you will need to know how to handle shooting animations. So here we go. Let's select soldier. Let's go in animator. And here we have the shoot animation clip, as you know. So I will take it up. Now I'll place it right here. And let's create transitions from idle to shoot and back from shoot to idle. Now let's create parameter. We will need this time trigger. Let's call this one shoot with a capital first letter. Now I will select transition from idle to shoot. And we don't need exit time. And I will make transition duration to be 0. And I will make conditions. I will add conditions. Let's add plus. Now we don't need speed. We need shoot. So when these conditions will be met, our player will shoot. Now, let's select transition from shoot to idle. So second one. This time we will need to have exit time. And I will make exit time to be smaller, like 0.2. And transition duration, I will make it 0. That's pretty much it. Easy setup for our shooting. And now let's open our script and let's find where we are shooting. Right here, when we get input of get mouse button of left click, after we shoot, we will say anim dot set trigger this time, and in brackets and quotation marks we should say name of our parameter. In my case it's shoot with a capital first letter, so you need to type it correctly, otherwise it will not work. I will remind you. Semicolon at the end, and that's pretty much it. Very simple. Let's save the script and let it reload. Let's go back, let's hit play. And now, as you see, we have a little bit of shooting animation going on. Our gun moves, and I think it looks much better now with the shooting. And yeah, that's pretty much it, how we are able to add shooting animations.